Hey, in today's video, I want to talk to you about each person has the responsibility and the personal relationship right to make choices independent of the expectation and approval of others. Hey, listen, it's really important that when you make choices in your life, when we make choices in our life, we do so independent of the expectation of others and the approval of others. Especially mom, especially dad, especially aunts and uncles, family members. Listen, here's our responsibility. You and I were created by God. God gave each one of us a purpose in our life, and it's our responsibility to discover that purpose, seek that purpose out, find that purpose, and develop that purpose. At the end of your life, you're not going to be accountable to anybody but God. A lot of people will try to mold you into what they want you to be. You and I need to be what God called us to be. It's awful hard to do that when you make decisions with the approval and the expectations of others in mind. When I decided to do what I had been called to do, a lot of people in my life rejected me because that was not their image of who they wanted me to be, but it was the image of who God wanted me to be. I've got work to do. He's given it to me to do in advance. He's done the same thing for you. Discover your purpose, and in order to do so, you're going to have to do it. Make that choice independent of the expectation and approval of others, especially those that are really close to you and your family. Hey, I hope this video helped you, and God bless.